I have been loving the book of Ruth for the last 12, 13 years. In fact, I think I grew up on the book of Ruth, hearing about it for the very first time as a little girl. How can we not love a story where an outsider becomes an insider? Where somebody with nothing all of a sudden gets everything, where someone from a foreign land becomes part of the covenant community of Israel. We love this story because yes, it is a romantic story, but what I really am so excited about getting to come back 12 years later to this book is that we see God's redemptive hand. That is not just a story about Ruth and Boaz and Naomi, but it's a story about God's redeeming love for his people. God's redeeming love for the outsider, the vulnerable, the brokenhearted. I love the way that he heals Naomi's heart, how he restores Ruth, how he blesses Boaz. Probably one of my favorite takeaways this time is seeing that in this book, there's really no miracle that happens. There's no burning bush or parting of the Red Sea. What we see is faithful people loving God and loving each other. And in that human interaction, God does miraculous things. And so I love that about the story because any of us can love God and love people. And of course, we can't forget just the redemptive hand of God is all over this. So for those who are hurting, for those who feel like they're without hope, we have the hope not only of the God of Israel, but through the person of Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness, I'm so thrilled to be able to bring you the study of Ruth, Loss, Love, and Legacy.